We'll guide you through how to use the Wix Basic Plan. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Here, locate and click on the Create New Site button. You'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create, whether it's a blog, an online store, or a portfolio. Select the option that best suits your needs and click Next. Wix will then ask if you want to use the Wix ADI or the Wix editor. For more customization, choose the Wix editor. Now, you'll be taken to a selection of templates. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find one that fits your vision. Once you've chosen a template, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Here, you can customize everything from the text and images to the layout and color scheme. Drag and drop elements to rearrange them, click on text boxes to edit the content, and use the toolbar on the left to add new features like galleries, buttons, or contact forms. Remember, with the basic plan, you can connect a custom domain, so make sure to set that up in the domain section of your dashboard. When you're satisfied with your site, click Preview to see how it looks. If everything's perfect, hit Publish to make your website live. Keep in mind, the basic plan does show Wix ads, but it's a great starting point to get your site online. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.